Hello students, in this video we are going to understand question number 6 of exercise 9.1 of class 10th. So let us see what the question is all about. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building, as you can see in the picture. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So this is the question. So let us try to understand the concept of this. As you can see over here, this is line of sight. Then what happens? He looked at the top of the building and made the angle as 30 degree, as you can see in the picture. The height of the boy is given as 1.5 meters. Then he moved towards the building, and as you can see, the angle of elevation now is 60 degrees. Okay, and here you need to understand one thing. When you are standing, let's say at some distance from the object, okay, so your angle of elevation will be less compared to what your angle of elevation will be if you move towards the building. If you want to do one experiment, just try to look straight, little up, and just try to see the fan or the ceiling fan above. You have to look like this. So automatically the angle of elevation will increase when you move uh, close to the object. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to before that we have given 30 meters also, like the height of the building is given over there, and let that point be A, D, then we have B and C, and this is what we are looking for. We need to find the distance the boy has traveled. Okay, so this is what we are interested in, B and C. I'll just give you the overview how we are going to solve this question. See, uh, first of all we need to focus on OD. As you can see over here, this is O and this is D. So we need to do, I'm just giving a rough idea about how we are going to go about with this sum. 30 minus 1.5. So we will get this distance. This will be the first part that we are going to do. Now just try to understand A, B and D. Okay, we are going to apply tan 30 degree and we are going to get the distance, the entire distance. That means BD. Okay, then what we are going to do, we are going to again apply tan theta, that is tan 60 degree this time, in the triangle ACD, and we are going to get this distance CD. We have a bigger distance and we know the shorter distance. Then automatically we can calculate BC. Okay, we just need to do the simple subtraction. Very simple sum. I hope you have understood with this diagram. So let us quickly solve the question. Okay, let us write down some basic things over here. The previous slide or this slide will be better. Okay, let OA be the height of the building, height of the building. Okay, and let us calculate OD first. OA is 30 meters. Then we have OD. OD is nothing but height of the boy. Okay, as you can see, so it is 1.5 meters. So we can easily OA minus OD, that is 30 minus 1.5. So that comes out to be 28.5 meters. Okay, so we have calculated this and this came out to be 28.5 meters. I hope you have understood this much. So let us solve now. In triangle, this is C, A, B, D. We are going to apply tan 30 rule. So tan 30 is what? Opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite over here? Opposite is AD and adjacent is BD. We know now tan theta is nothing but 1 upon root 3. What is opposite? That is AD. AD just we have just calculated, that is 28.5, and BD we have no clue what is BD. So this implies that BD is, we'll do the cross multiplication, 28.5 into root 3. This is our BD. Similarly, in right triangle ACD, now this time we are going to use tan 60. The rule remains the same, the formula, that is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is again AD, and this time we have CD over here. Tan 60 is nothing, this is root 3. What is AD? AD is nothing but 28.5, and CD we have no idea. Okay, therefore CD will be 28.5 upon root 3 meters. So we have calculated both the things. Now we have to do simple subtraction. So we are interested in BC. BC will be calculated by BD minus CD. So what is BD? BD is 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 upon root 3. So this will be 28.5. I'm taking 28.5 as common. So this is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. This will be 28.5, and this will can write down directly now. 3 into root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is 2 upon root 3. But we know that root 3 is not allowed in the denominator, so we are going to rationalize it by root 3. Okay. So on further calculation, you will find this root 3. Okay. Our denominator you have root 3 and root 3, so it becomes 3. So I'll just write it down quickly. This will be 28.5 into 2 into root 3, and in the denominator it is simple 3. Okay. Now this we can cancel. So 3 ones are, 3 nines are, and then 5s are. Okay. So 9.5 into 2, that is 19. 19 root 3 will be the answer. I hope you have understood how your distance is 19 root 3 meters. Okay, that BC. And this is your final answer. I hope you have understood the sum. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.